Lady Short Stack, Lady Short Stack. Hey, lady at the Sugar Shack, you making it rough on Switchblade, girl. Hey, Lady Short Stack, Lady Short Stack. Lady at the Sugar Shack, you making it rough on Switchblade. Lady Mermaid, Callie gone.
Making it rough on some of them big boys out there. Lady Short Stack making it rough. Oh, if anybody knows, I'm in the Short Stack show. Not right. Like that. Come on,
Hey, Sugar Shack, hey, Sugar Shack, hey, Sugar Shack around Oklahoma. Hey, Sugar Shack around Oklahoma, you making it rough on Switchblade, girl. You better get on down with your bad self. Hey, Sugar Shack, you making it rough on Switchblade. Bye, 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 bye. Lady Mermaid said bye, bye, bye.
Oh, see, if I do Switchblade, he understand. He's a good friend of mine. Oh, you don't mind? He's a good friend of mine. Well, lady, Tupac.
Yeah, he in there talking to Tupac or talking about Tupac. I don't know what he doing, lady. How sure it's that. Hey, Sugar Shack. I don't know what he doing. Who he talking to? Anyway, girl, I heard you talking. I thought I'd turn me a little bitty watts on to see if I can get in your radio. Sugar Shack. Lady Mermaid pulling it back. Break. Yeah, we got 12 out there now. I was wondering who that was keyed up and knocked you out the box. We got one of our locals out here. He keyed up and knocked you out the box, girl. Anyway, Short Stack, Lady Mermaid, just want to key up and say hello to you. Been a minute since I talked to you. I know 12 is out here, so you probably taking my transmit. It is what it is. Lady Mermaid, Callie, I'm rocking this crazy mail. Breaker.
Well, I'm working. Hey, I'm gonna work this show, don't you know? Tell yourself what it's up. We make it a 7.
You got that mall down, Sugar Shack. Hey, Sugar Shack, you got that mall down, girl. No doubt about it. You and Switchblade doing y'all thing. Anyway, let me get out the way. Lady Mermaid, Callie, I'm gone. Breaker.
Shut it down for tonight. Lady Short Stack, face on the cover came in place. Lady Mermaid, you know who this is?
Yes, I do. Hey, tell Undercover Lover I say hello to him as well, no doubt about it. Tell him, thank you for letting you talk on your radio. Because, you know, it'd be the Queen's Castle, no doubt about it. Take care. I don't know where 12 went, but I thank him for standing by, if he is standing by. I don't know, because if 12 key up, it's lights off for Lady Mermaid. Anyway, take care, Sugar Shack. Lady Mermaid, getting out the way. Bye. You must can't hear. You don't hear Switchblade, do you? Huh? You must don't hear Switchblade, or you just bold like that. You key up when Switchblade key up. You must don't hear Switchblade, cause you key up when Switchblade key up. Lord have mercy. I'll be scared to key up. I wouldn't even key up my radio if Switchblade key up. Lady Mermaid wouldn't even key up her radio. I'm stepping. Bye.
Lady Mermaid, Lady Short Stack just got down.
And that's what you did. Hey, Short Stack, that's what you did, lady. No doubt about it, lady at the Sugar Shack. Take care, lady at the Sugar Shack. Lady Mermaid in the ghettos, and I'm gone. Bye. Hey, you doing your thing, girl, no doubt about it. It does like a Switchblade. I don't know who in the heck, he ain't talking about nothing. I mean, he ain't talking about nothing. Just talking. And he been talking for hours, Sugar Shack. Hey, that duck been talking for hours, no doubt about it. Once again, hello to you, lady at the Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid in the ghettos, in my Cadillac, my pink Cadillac, and I'm pulling the back. Breaker, breaker, breaker. Oh, he talking to 12. He talking to 12. Okay, that's what he doing. He talking to 12. Okay, now I see what's going on. I should turn my beam on 12's butt so I can plug his ears. Anyway, take care once again, Lady Mermaid. I heard 766 out here a little about 20, 30 minutes ago. I heard that damn dog on 766 talking in Arizona. I was like, what that rascal doing in my radio? Anyway, Lady Mermaid, Cali, and I'm rocking on. Breaker, breaker, breaker.
Now you be safe. Lady Short, Shack told you to be safe. Because you killed on 12 in the valley. You got his radio. I want you to know before you go, Lady Mermaid, the stack is back. When I release the Kraken, I don't want to...
Hey, Tiff, I hear him too. I hear 12 right now. I hear that rascal. He keyed up. I don't know why I'm keying up if he keying up. But maybe we got a pipeline to you, girl. I don't know what's going on. Maybe we got a pipeline to you and he got a pipeline to Switchblade. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, Lady Mermaid, First Lady of Cali, First Lady of California just got down. Break, break, break.
You said they need to put it in the show? You said it's a damn shame. It's a damn shame. You did it. I'm not my guy. This is Mother Nature. I'm preaching. It's not even my guy.
You gotta go to
This is my guy. I got a bigger.
Tenfold. Okay, hey, Lady Short Stag, no doubt about it. I'm gonna sit back and rock the mail. Maybe some of my neighbors want to holler at you. 777, he be one of my neighbors. I saw he was hollering at you. Maybe somebody else want to holler at you too. I ain't trying to hog it all up. Although it's fun talking to you, Lady Short Stag. It's fun talking to you, girl. No doubt about it. Take care, Lady Mermaid in the ghettos. First Lady Cali just got down. Breaker, breaker, breaker.
Good, I hear like, don't stop. Oh, Lady Mermaid, Lady Short Stack,
You said don't stop. Hey, Sugar Shack. You know they gonna get mad. You know, Lady Mermaid. You know I got some ducks out here. You know they gonna get mad. I can't be out here talking long. Hey, Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid can't be out here talking long. You know I got some ducks out here, girl. You know who live around me. I got a bunch of ducks around me. You know I can't talk long. Anyway, Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid just got down. Breaker.
I got your back. You don't care about them getting mad. They want you to quit so they can get your airtime. You tell me Lady Short Stack told you that. I ain't taking it back. Come on across the track.
Hey, Sugar Shack. I just got a duplicate text message. Hey, Sugar Shack, I just got a text message. Somebody out here trying to key up on me. Hey, Sugar Shack. He won't spend no money, Sugar Shack. He won't spend no money, girl. But he out here trying to key up on Lady Mermaid. I just got a text. Hey, I just got a text that a duck trying to key up on me, but he won't spend no money, Sugar Shack. Lady Mermaid said it just like that. Break.
Hey, for he can't get across the track. If he can't come out the door, you're stupid. Hey, do what you do. Get through. Hey, run away. Come on.
Hey, tenfold. Hey, tenfold. Yeah, he won't spend no money. He a duck. He a 10-9 duck. I keep telling him he a 10-9 duck. He need to spend some money, Sugar Shack. I always tell him, come on now, let's do it. I be telling him, spend some money. Doggone it. Hey, Sugar Shack. But he won't spend no money, but he out here trying to key up on me. I'm gonna spank him. Hey, Sugar Shack, I'm gonna spank him. Mermaid, go.
I'm trying to pick up a salad. And she knows on me. And the man, I'm not about vehicle on me. You mad, wait, boy, you messing around.
Tenfold girl. All right, girl. Doggone it. Let me get on back to doing what I was doing. I was doing my night chores. Hey, Sugar Shack, I was doing my nighttime chores, and I heard you, no doubt about it. That's what I was doing. I was doing my nighttime chores, no doubt about it. I call it the nighttime because It's too hot to do it during the daytime. Hey, Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid, getting on down. Break.
Hey, if you
that damn doggone Switchblade, he talking to everybody out here in California. I don't know how he doing that. Hey, Short Stack, I don't know how he got a conversation with two ducks out here in Cali. How in the heck is he doing that? That duck plug is a multitasker, no doubt about it. Hey, Lady Short Stack, mighty fine to you, girl, mighty fine to you. Lady Mermaid in the ghettos, and I just got down. Breaker.
And I said, save some. Don't use it all up. Don't think that.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you something, Lady Short Stack. They mentioning your name. Now, Switchblade said he didn't know you out there, but 12 know you out there. Hey, Short Stack, see, 12 know you out there talking to me, but Switchblade said he didn't know you out there. So that it is what it is, but 12 know you out there. Hey, Sugar Shack, 12 know you out there talking, no doubt about it. Take care, Sugar Shack. Lady Mermaid just got down. Breaker.
Switchblade, good job. Bye.
TFO. Yeah, Switchblade talking about he didn't know you were out there. That's what he gonna say. He know damn doggone well he hear that loud radio. He gonna tell 12, oh, I didn't even know she was out there. Yeah, right, get on out of here. Hey, Sugar Shack, all I gotta say to Switchblade, get your butt out of here. You know doggone well the lady at the Sugar Shack out there talking. He gonna tell 12, I didn't know she was out there. That's some bull crap. Hey, Sugar Shack, that's some bull crap. Hey, Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid stepping. Breaker.
Yeah, I should keep 12. God of my witness, I did not know she was out there. Lady Mermaid said that I'm telling a lie. Lady Mermaid called me a lie. 12, when you on TV, Lady Mermaid gonna tell me that I know ladies, I still can't hear. I think that Lady Mermaid voice I heard. Hey, I think that Lady Mermaid voice I heard, but I can't hear the Sugar Shack.
Yeah, he gonna tell me I call him a liar now. That's what he's saying now. Hey, Sugar Shack, he said Lady Mermaid said I'm lying. Hey, Sugar Shack, he said Lady Mermaid said I'm lying about knowing Sugar Shack was out there. He said, but I really can't hear her. He said, but I think that's Lady Mermaid's voice. Anyway, it's all fun. I'm just laughing over here. It's all fun, and we got a whole lot of rascals. We sit out here just laughing. We sit back reading the mail. It's all good. Hey, I'm gonna mess with Switchblade. I'm gonna mess with that Wolfgang. Possum eating, possum cooking, duck plucker. I'm gonna mess with him, Sugar Shack. I'm gonna mess with that possum eating, possum grilling, possum juice, possum alcohol, whatever he do with the possums. I'm gonna mess with them. Hey, Sugar Shack, Lady Mermaid just got down. Break.
My little sister, she called me a possum looking, possum eating, possum smelling cotton chopper. Hey, my little sister is talking about me.
Hey, Short Stack, I'm calling him every name I can think of. Possum CBD, possum juice, possum marijuana, possum alcohol, possum eating, grilling the possum. He do everything with a possum. Eat they toes, he eat they butt. He eat every part of that duck like a possum, Lady Short Stack. That's what he do. He even got CBD possum. Hey, you know that duck like a Switchblade, he got CBD possum. Did you know that, Lady Short Stack? He got CBD possum. And I said it. I told his business and I'm gone. Bye.
I can't hear Lady Short Stack. I promise I can't. Well, y'all unky, I cannot hear her. But Lady Mermaid said I know she was Lady Short Stack was out there until you told me so. And I was going to stand by. But then Lady Mermaid out there talking about me, calling me a possum smelling cotton chopper.
Yeah, he's still talking. talking. He's still talking, Lady Shortstack. He need to go get some CBD possum. He need to go get some of that CBD possum he make. That's what he need to do. Take some of that CBD possum. Hey, Lady Shortstack, I'm telling Switchblade business. Hey, Lady Shortstack, Lady Mermaid telling Switchblade business. I know I should be telling his business that he makes CBD possum. I know I shouldn't be telling his business. Hey, Lady Shortstack, Lady Mermaid, gone now. Bye, bye, bye.
I can't do no possum. This is too crazy.
Hey, Tiffo, you can't do that possum because it's greasy. I don't blame you, girl. I ain't never tried it. I don't care how Switchblade chop it up. I don't care how Switchblade chop up that possum. Lady Mermaid don't want none. But that duckplecker, he making that CBD possum. Mermaid might have to try that CBD. Hey, I might have to try that duckplecker CBD possum. I don't know. That might not be too bad right there. He might got him a good little market. Hey, Shortstack, he might got something good for the market, boy. That duckplecker got CBD possum, no doubt about it. All right, Shortstack, Mermaid, just step down. Bye, bye, bye.
Now look up. If I look up, we'll make a damn peanut butter sandwich out that cat nigga. Hey, tell her, if I don't look up, peanut butter out of sandwich and no jelly. Bye, bye, bye. You think you was fucked up, you think my locals, yeah, you gonna be a monster.
Yeah, both them mud ducks keying up. Yeah, we get some duckplecker CBD possum. Get old Switchblade to make some CBD possum, no doubt about it. All right, girl, I'm gonna stand by. I've been recording this doggone it. I hope I ain't gonna run out of no duckplecker footage because I never know when I have enough room. But I sure want to get all this on the recording, no doubt about it, because I want it to be known that that duckplecker Switchblade makes CBD possum. Hey, Switchblade, he be making CBD possum. Lady Mermaid said it. I told his business, and I'm out the way.
Oh my goodness! Oh man, I'm thinking to put my family out there. She done told my whole secret. Hey, Lady Mermaid, I made some possum tacos too. Bye.
Oh, 12, Lady Shortstack.
Yeah, I'm telling this business. That's right. Hey, Lady Shortstack say I'm out here telling your business. Yeah, I'm out here telling your business that you make CBD possum. I'm telling your business. I sure am. Lady Mermaid telling your business. CBD tacos, CBD duckplecker and possum. Lady Mermaid telling Switchblade's business. That's what I'm doing. I'm telling his business. Lady Mermaid stepping.
You say, hey, Dr. She don't copy you. Hey, what is that? I can hear you back there. Look at that. Hey, the sisters don't copy you. And she's snitching on me. My little sister, she ain't nothing but, she just like Uncle Tom. She's a family snitch. Take your Lady Mermaid, your big brother, Switchblade, love you, bye-bye.
Tiffo, homeboy, Tiffo. Hey, Lady Shortstack, boy, she been giving you a rough time. You better look out now. It's sister night. Hey, Switchblade, it's sister night. You don't even know, huh? You're 12 trying to tie it up. Y'all don't even know it's sister night. Y'all don't even know. But anyway, I want some CBD duckplucking possum. Lady Mermaid wants some CBD possum. Bye, bye, bye.
No, we got to stay alive. You said you got CBD. Hey, Lady Mermaid. Hey, Lady Mermaid. We got to send you to you. You don't call this doctor. He said, he might be moving on 809. Take care, my sister. Bye-bye.
Bye, Switchblade. Bye, Mr. Possum. Hey, bye, Switchblade. Have a good one. Bye, bye, bye out there, Lady Shortstack. I'm getting at pause for the calls. I'm going to stand by. Boy, I've been recording this mess. I'm going to put this on my YouTube. I'm going to put this on JD page. I'm going to put it on the West Coast page because I want everybody to know about this CBD possum. Take care, y'all. Lady Mermaid, Callie, and I just got down. Bye, bye, bye.
Awesome. Tell her that, my sister. Everybody, you the hell. How the hell are you now? Said 12 and 7 stop kid up. Having water here. Oh my goodness, I didn't know you had it like that. You got to be bullying on 809. I'm just saying now. Take care, Lady Mermaid. Big brother, love you. Bye-bye.
You want me to start cussing, huh? Hey, y'all ducks love to hear Mermaid cuss. Y'all just say the wrong things, and y'all want to make Lady Mermaid cuss. That's what you trying to do, Possum. Hey, Mr. Possum, you trying to make me cuss. Get out of here. You know I'm talking on Lady Mermaid station. You get on out of here with that. I'm on 809 station. I'm bootlegging. He said I'm bootlegging. Get out of here, CBD, Possum. Bye, bye, bye.
Don't lose your religion on my account. Oh my goodness, I love this stuff. Nice where you was though. Oh my goodness. Now you sound wonderful though. I put you on top of this doctor. Hey, since 12 still by you sound some kind of wonderful. I promise you do. Real talk now. I'm just saying now, I'm just a figure sweet. You sound so wonderful. Sound like you're bootlegging off of Mr. California.
Yeah, you having too much fun. Don't be throwing him in there. That's my but he cool though. Me and Ace on that cool. But this is my station. I paid for this. Don't take away my credit. I paid for this. Bye, Switchblade. Lady Mermaid stepping. Bye, bye, bye.
Chill out, Lady Mermaid. I gotta go now. You my sister, and my crazy nephew told me he like it when you. We was just playing with you. He said he was just teasing you. We was never say he was just teasing you. Now he said he gonna please you. He said he liked when you on top. And he was not ready on them damn fire. That's my sister, fire.
He like when I'm on top. Okay. Does it make a difference? Does it make a difference? I don't know. But anyway, he liked when Lady Mermaid on top. I heard that. I like to be on top too. In control. Take care, Switchblade. I'm in control. Tell Witch Doctor I'm in control. Lady Mermaid stepping.
Lady Mermaid. You still on the wall. You said tell the Witch Doctor you like you in control when you on top. Hey, now. You Witch Doctor. And the Witch Doctor, you better find a little bone. Because here she comes. Mermaid, 12 said you better be glad you're not bootlegging on his man. Because if he was, he'd have kept your radio on film side. Take care. Mermaid, Switchblade, push up.
Well, you know, 12 told 809 he need to go see his tech. Hey, you remember, I don't know if you're out here, 12 told 809 you need to go see my tech. Oh my goodness, everybody fell out laughing. All right, take care. Yeah, tell Witch Doctor I'll stay on top and I'll stay in control. Bye, Switchblade. You getting me in trouble. Bye, bye, bye.
You ain't in no trouble. Witch Doctor in your background. You ain't in no trouble. You doing it. Keep up the good work too. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Worldwide. Hey, Mermaid. But 12 got Margoose that technician. 12, Margoose is 12 technician. But Switchblade said if you need your big brother, holler. And I will holler back, no doubt about that. Worldwide Mermaid, Switchblade, 10-7, God bless. Bye-bye.